Nowadays, people are getting lazy on cleaning their houses. People tend to use things that are automatic and it can't even accurately clean the house. Even the kids these days won't even help clean the house, and if they do, kids can't fully clean the house because there are places that they can't reach. The same with the people who have back problems or people that are old have also problems reaching higher surfaces in their homes. There are also people who takes a lot of time cleaning only to end up having their time wasted for some activities they have in line. People these days want a tool for cleaning that can motivate children to clean and can also help them and the elderly to reach higher surfaces in their homes. Introducing the Project Stick, which can solve all of your problems. This tool is a combination of different cleaning tools into a one multi-purpose stick that can reach the unreachable places that was never reached before. The stick contains many attachments that can effectively clean dirty spots in your house. With its aesthetic design, there is no doubt that children will enjoy this tool and hope that this will motivate them to clean the house. The stick contains the following attachments: broom, duster and cobweb cleaner, grabber, mop, and window cleaner. Paired with its rotating end, these attachments will effectively clean dirt in your house. A clean house is a healthy and happy family. Thank you.